Hello everyone, welcome to the weekly forecast on gold. Links are all in the video description. So we're going into a new month, November, so that's more volume going into the market. So let's just have a quick look at last week. Monday we got the downwards move from here, targeting the daily opening price, which is there. Next day we did watch price through here. We did try and take a sell once it had taken the previous day high, then got stopped out and stayed out. Price came up to here. We was expecting a bearish move, but we was expecting that to be a retracement, so we didn't take any trades on this day. We did take a buy from down here. Once you start to see resistance and this grey area being respected, so we got that nice bullish move up to there, and that was back to this level, so that was a nice bit of profit. Then going into Friday, we just took this buy from here because it was retesting this breaker, taking in the liquidity from there and showing you signs of reversal towards the upside. So we've got a nice buy from there, as you can see on your screen at the moment. So what you're seeing here is exactly the same as what you're seeing here. Price comes down, retests a bullish support, takes liquidity, gives you a reversal and continues up. That's exactly what it does here. Takes liquidity, retests bullish support, and then a continuation towards the upside. So at the moment, looking at that price action, it is still very bullish. So going into this week, we get a new chart up and we can just go over exactly what we're expecting. So this here is a consolidation. We've retested this area, impulse move up, retraced, retested this area, impulse move up. So what you'd be looking for this week is that bullish momentum to continue up. So we're looking for a small retracement and then a continuation up for a new all-time high to go above this high here. That is the main aim, and that's likely to be done at the start of the week. Now we have a lot of news this week. Just on the top of my head, I think GDP is one of them, and there's a few other. So there's a lot of volume going into the market this week, so watch out for those major days. But this is what we're looking at. Structure wise, still bullish. You still got things happening all around the world which are bullish for gold, so we've just got to get into that bullish move. So looking at the chart, where can we expect a retracement? So what you do is just look at this consolidation, and like I said previously, when you get a consolidation and it comes to an end, normally you get a retracement back to the middle and then a continuation up. That's what we've had for the last 2-3 consolidations, and that's what we're expecting now. And if you just look at this price action, you can see there's a lot of consolidation running along the middle of this price action, and there's a lot of retests, a bit like this one, here on Friday, and this one here. So that running along there becomes a manipulation area, and the key thing here is most of those retests are happening during the New York session, and when you get a consolidation in this area, it's happening during the New York session. So that shows there is a lot of volume in this area. So let's just make that a bit more neater. So what we're looking at is a retest of this area here. It may come a bit lower because this is your breaker. So before that impulse move up, this is your breaker that started to fake out down. It took the liquidity, retested this breaker, then you got an impulse move up. So naturally, you'd be looking for a retracement to this breaker for continuation up if you're following ICT sort of trading. But we do have a strong manipulation area here, so it doesn't have to go all the way down to that area. It would make perfect sense if we retraced, took the liquidity from this low, and then continued up from that grey area there. That's all I'm looking for at the start of the week. That retracement, and that will be a very easy buy to a new all-time high. So that's what I'm currently looking at. That's what I'll be working with. So that is the weekly forecast for the start of the week. It's likely to change going over the next few days because we have a lot of volume. Feel free to join my free Telegram channel. That's in the links below. Now, you don't have to trade every price action. Let's just have a look at last week when I mentioned these moves. A lot of the time, like up here, I had no idea what was going on, but I knew that was too high to start buying at. So I was just staying out for some sort of retracement to give me more structure to make a trade. And here I was very confused. I had no idea what was going on. I had some ideas on what I could trade, but the setup and the price action wasn't really giving me those confirmations to trade. So it's always best to stay out of these things, because that's when a lot of people burn their money, and that's when they get losses. And then all it does is turn into trying to recover those losses and get back to break even. You're not actually staying out and just reaping the profits from how you've learned to trade. You're risking your money on stupid little setups so you can get every kind of move. So yeah, just be patient. If you have no idea and you can't understand what's going on the chart, then it just means you need to focus a bit more on learning how you read price action and stay out. The more patient you are, the better your trades will plan out and the better your mindset will be, because you will be able to risk your hard-earned money on setups that are very good and very well constructive. So yeah, links are all in the video description. Hopefully this week brings you some profit. Take care, have a good day, and I'll post again on the free channel in the links below through the week to give you a bit more update on what I'm doing. But this at the moment is what I'm looking at for the start of the week. Monday and Tuesday, looking for that continuation up. Take care, have a good day, and goodbye.